monsoon session of Parliament began on a stormy note on July 20th, with repeated disruptions in both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha over the NEET UG 2026 paper leak and the alleged donation theft at the Ram Temple. Proceedings were repeatedly adjourned as opposition MPs raised slogans and demanded discussions on both issues. In the Rajya Sabha, leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge said NEET paper leak affected the future of lakhs of students and accused the government of trying to suppress the issue. Meanwhile, DMK MPs also protested over the Tamil Nadu-Karnataka water dispute. The Lok Sabha was adjourned 6 times before being called off for the day around 3 pm, while the Rajya Sabha witnessed 5 adjournments. Despite the disruptions, the government introduced a bill in the Lok Sabha to replace an ordinance increasing the Supreme Court sanctioned strength from 34 to 38 judges, including the Chief Justice of India. However, a private member's bill in the Rajya Sabha seeking to make insults to Vande Mataram a punishable offence could not be introduced due to the protests. Outside Parliament, thousands of protesters led by the Cockroach Janata Party attempted a march towards the Parliament complex, demanding the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Police used batons and tear gas to disperse the crowd near Constitution Club, RBI and Shastri Bhavan. A few Parliament gates were also briefly closed as a precaution.